Hey, it's Jess, and today we're going to talk about how to sew a ladder stitch. The ladder stitch is one of my favorite hand sewing stitches and is great for anytime you need to close a hole in something, especially plushies. So start by just inserting the thread into the needle and knotting the ends. And you're going to insert the needle from underside of the fabric. You can see the fabric is already naturally wanting to roll inwards because of the seams on either side, and this make it a lot of easier for us for the actual sewing process. So you're just going to take the needle and pick up a little bit of the material near where the folded area is. Then pick up a little bit of material where you want the other side to fold. Continue the process and you can see where the stitches got the name from starting to look like a ladder. Then pull the thread tight. Then we're going to knot the thread. Trim off the excess. Et voila! Fini! And that's how to sew a ladder stitch.